I've been trying to do bits of work here and there, but this is going to be the base plate for the coils to go onto. Each one of these obviously represents where the centre of the coil is going to go, and I want to just remember to put them on in the pattern, which is here. This is a computer sideboard, well, the side of a computer. I've just marked up, drilled and cut. I'm going to have that stuck down to surface, coils on top of that, and then the stator, sorry, not stator, the rotor above that, so that the magnetic field is drawn from the these magnets to here and across the coils. Small warning, look away now if you're squeamish with blood, but just on my way back up I slipped with the board here. This is a backing board, as you can see, with the angle grinder, nice sharp edges, but again, warning, look away now if you're squeamish at the sight of blood, but things could have been a lot worse. I was just coming around the corner and I ran my wrist across it, so it's not too bad, but could have been. Okay, so things we've got so far. Yeah, have a nice day. Pressed the wrong button, haven't I? Alright, take care, see ya. Real quick before the batteries go, that's the stator. Yeah, that's the stator done. 9 coils, equally odd setup. Sorry, a bit dust on my camera. 3 are, it works out as a 3 as top, bottom and slanted. This is the only setup that I could actually have for this, with 9 coils on this size of a rotor, stator. And as shown before, that's the rotor with 6 magnets all facing out. I can have extra magnets in between the gaps, obviously with opposite poles. Yeah, and that's the way it's going to go on. There's plenty of stick on that, as you can see. You're really sliding. But yeah, that's the stator picking up the magnets, picking up the stator. I've hopefully wound it for 3-phase. I find it really confusing because, again, due to the setup of the coils, the way that they were, to keep them again as close as possible and as flush on the top here, some of the coils are facing one way, some of the coils are facing the other, even though they're all wound in the same direction. It's just because having them stacked on top of each other. As you can see, the wires sticking up there, but for this one the wires underneath. That was confusing enough, without this also being the equally odd shape. Again, it completely threw me, absolutely threw me. And also obviously having 6 magnets instead of the 12 as reference, and yeah, it drove me nuts. These are the output wires, hopefully, I do hope. These are obviously each ones that are stuck together. Where are these 3 here that are straight? These will hopefully be stuck together as the 3 wires at the top there. I've tried to use this as reference because again I got completely baffled, showing star configuration and delta. Star if you want more volts, delta if you want more current. This one offers less impedance because the wires are in parallel, but this one gives you a lower speed charge because it gives you high volts. High volts means generally quicker charge rates. But yeah, again, that reference kind of didn't help because it's got 9 coils on there, like mine. However, as example, well, the blue one there and the green one there at the top was the equivalent of the 1 and 2. Oh, I can't explain it. Basically, I got dumbfounded. Yes, that's the overall thing. That's the computer backing plate, which I cut out with a grinder. And if you watch the video before that I should be uploading, you'll see that I nearly slit my wrist open. Yeah. Okay then. So far so moderately good. Cat ever watching? Okay then. Have a good night. See you later.